Friends, there are some more questions here based on radioactivity. There is one question, perhaps it is from NCERT book, and it has been asked in 2018. A radioisotope has half-life of 10 years. How long will it take for activity to reduce to 3.125%? Means RT. How long it will take to reduce the activity? 3.125%. So here RT upon R0 has to be 3.125 upon 100 reduced to. So if we solve this 3125 upon 100 into 1000, so if we solve this 25 4 ja, 25 1 ja, 5 6 2 3125 divided by 25, 1 ja 25, 6 2 2 ja 15, 2 125, and 125 divided by this 8. So here RT upon R0, we find it to be 1 upon 32. And we know that RT proportional to NT. So RT upon R0 is equal to NT upon N0 is equal to 1 upon 2 the power N. And here 1 upon 2 the RT upon R0, 1 upon 32. So 1 upon 32 is equal to 1 upon 2 the power N, and this can get 2 the power 5. And 1 upon 2 the power 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 10 to the power 5. So we get here N equal to 5. And we know N equal to T upon T half is equal to 5. So T is equal to 5 into T half means 10 years. So it will take 50 years to reduce the activity of that isotope to 3.125%. These are good questions for class 12 student, even for NEET aspirant. This chapter is very simple, but problem is that we don't come up to this. I am looking here, I am observing. Initially, student watch my video, viewer were much larger. Now it has reduced because I don't know. They keep on revising the initial, complete the whole syllabus, and then start revision. Now again there is another question here. Polonium PO has half-life equal to 140 days. Polonium has half-life, or any element you can say has half-life 140 days. In what time? In what time? In what time will 15 gram of PO will in what time will be disintegrated from initial mass of 16 gram of polonium. Initially, if we have 16 gram, and how much time it will take to reduce to disintegrate 15 gram. So actually, and again we use N upon N0, 1 upon 2 the power n. Now mass left undecayed. Mass left undecayed. Here it is the number of nuclei left undecayed. Undecayed equal to 16 minus 15. And number of atom proportional to mass. So Nt upon N0 here is equal to 1 by 16. So therefore 1 upon 16 is equal to 1 upon 2 the power n, or 1 upon 2 the power 4 is 1 upon 2 the power n. So n equal to 4. What is n here? Number of half-lives. Now we know n equal to t upon t half. So t equal to n into t half. N equal to 4, or t half is 140 days. 14 4 are 56. 560 days. So it will take 560 days to disintegrate 15 gram out of 16 gram. These are simple questions, but if you don't practice, you can't solve. Solution comes only when we do practice, nothing else. It is matter of practice. Now, another question here. Actually, this has been asked in board exam in 2014. CBSE 2014. Radioactive nucleus has decay constant. Decay constant. Lambda equal to 0.3465 per day. Per day. Day inverse. How long would it take the nuclei to decay to to 75% of its initial amount. So here is some ambiguity in this question. Decay constant of radioactive element is itne decay itne per day. How long would it take the nuclei to decay to 75% of its initial amount? What does it mean? To decay to, ये 2 नहीं होना चाहिए यहाँ. How long would it take the nuclei to decay 75% of the initial? If 75% get decayed, then amount or number of undecayed material 25% of initial. So I can write nt upon n0 is equal to 25 upon 100, yani 1/4. And we know nt upon n0 is equal to 1 upon 2 the power n. So 1 upon 2 the power n is equal to 1/4, yani k equal to 1 upon 2 the power 2. So n equal to 2. N equal to 2. But you know that n is equal to t upon t half is equal to n. So t is equal to n into t half. And t half here, n is 2. T half is 0.693 upon lambda. है भाई, यानी 2 3 6 2 18 1 13 अपॉन 0.3465 डे पर डे है ना, डे ऊपर आ जाएगा तो कितना, इट इज 13.86 नहीं डेसिमल यहाँ होंगे, हाँ 3860 अपॉन 3465. तो 4 5 are 20, 4 6 are 24, 6 4 4 is 2, yes exactly 4 years, oh sorry 4 days. It will take 4 days to reduce by 75%. Actually, there was a language problem and the book has solved this other way. They have taken a 75% remain undecayed. So we have to be very careful in solving problem because the language get twisted. Now there is a question here. It also has been asked in CBSE exam. Paper come in class 12, only fundamental questions are asked. But student keep on learning unnecessarily different things. There is a graph here between time in seconds, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 seconds, and activity in becquerel. Activity 20, 40, 60, 80. So the graph here is start from 80. Points are here like this. So the graph comes like this. So from the graph shows how the radioactivity decay, है ना? Using graph determine half life and decay constant. Determine T half and lambda. अब ये इतना सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, बच्चे छोड़ आते हैं ऐसा भी. So it is 80 and it is 40 here, 40 at 50 seconds. So from graph I told you that half-life period is that period in which rate of radioactivity reduced to half get decayed. So from graph keep half equal to 50 seconds. And we know lambda is equal to 0.693 upon T half. So it is 0.693 upon 50 per second. Unit ध्यान रखें. Generally student forget to write unit. So it is 0.0693 upon 5, 0.01 और 3 जा 6 और 6. हाँ भाई, .1 0.01 कितने बजे 3 हाँ 8 होगा 86 सॉरी per second. My aim here is to bring you in contact of questions which have been asked in board exam. Now देखो ये क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है यहाँ पर. प्लॉट द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ बीटा पार्टिकल एंड स्टेट वाई एनर्जी स्पेक्ट्रम इज कंटिन्यूअस. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू while telling beta decay. So during beta decay, if we plot the graph of kinetic energy and number of beta particle, kinetic energy and number of beta particle, so that comes like this. I mean, here in MeV 0.5, 1, 1.5 like that. So मतलब क्या है इसका कि in this range beta particle emitted during beta decay may have any value of energy. Why it is so? ये पूछते हैं why it is so. I have to explain you because beta decay, in beta decay along with electron one more particle is called neutrino is also emitted, and neutrino alpha particle beta particle and daughter nucleus share the total energy in any value can be shared like that. So I hope I will be giving you more question. I will select. Actually now I have taken very long time. So please, if you like, watch the video carefully, and please, if you feel it is good, then like, ask your friend and share, ask your friend to subscribe my channel, and please share the video to your friends.